The packaging of the 70mai UP06 reflects a practical, installation-focused approach. Inside the box, the main power module is accompanied by multiple fuse tap adapters compatible with common automotive fuse standards, including Micro 2, Mini, Profile Mini, and ATO. Each fuse tap comes pre-installed with a 5-amp fuse, simplifying setup and eliminating the need for additional components. The kit also includes the primary wiring harness with clearly labeled ACC, VCC, and GND connectors, making fuse box integration easier even for first-time installers. Power is delivered to the dash cam through a USB Type-C output cable designed for modern 70mai models. Overall, the unboxing experience emphasizes convenience and straightforward installation without requiring specialized tools or complex wiring. The core of the 70mai UP06 is its compact control module, which integrates voltage monitoring circuitry, battery protection logic, and a stable power conversion system. The module housing is constructed from durable plastic with a clean matte finish, making it unobtrusive when mounted inside the vehicle. One of the most distinctive features is the integrated 3-digit LED voltage display. This small screen continuously shows the vehicle battery's current voltage. It offers direct visual feedback, allowing users to monitor battery behavior in real time. The module also incorporates a 3-level adjustable low-voltage cutoff switch, enabling users to select between different battery protection thresholds. The 70mai Midrive UP06 adjustable hardwire kit is more than a simple power cable. It is a carefully engineered accessory designed to transform a dash camera into a full-time vehicle monitoring system. Its wide voltage compatibility supports both 12-volt passenger vehicles and 24-volt commercial trucks, while the stable Type-C output ensures reliable operation for modern 70mai dash cameras. The addition of a real-time voltage display and adjustable low-voltage cutoff system introduces an extra layer of battery protection rarely found in basic hardwire kits. Installation is simplified through the inclusion of multiple fuse tap adapters and clearly labeled wiring, allowing even non-expert users to complete the setup with minimal difficulty.